Okay guys, so here's the car.
Oh shit.
Snap. Yo guys, so this is actually just a very random video. Just stopped by a friend of mine quickly for some coilover setup. He is busy with a CRX K series build. I was admiring his Golf. As you guys know, my first car was actually a Golf. It's a special Golf, however, as this Golf has SR20 VVL in. So you just how can I say, suggested I go for a drive, and to be honest with you, I couldn't say no. So yeah, I'm pretty much in the car right now. Car has a very clean interior. The outside is also very neat. He also owns another Golf that he's going to K-swap as well. So yeah, I'm gonna just go for a little bit of a drive. I do feel the brakes, it's pretty much no brakes, but yeah, wish me luck. I'll just try to do a few videos for you guys as well. Yo, this thing sounds insane, guys. Did you hear that? Yo, there's a massive stack on. Look, I don't want to pull it really that hard. Maybe when I put down the camera, I will do so. Just so that I can obviously drive the car with all my ability, instead of obviously keeping the camera. But yeah, this is just basically a random video. It's crazy how he actually just trusted me to actually go take the car for a drive. But yeah, I'm gonna do a few pulls. I'll see if I can get a few videos for you guys on this car as well, because this is a crazy build. So it's also kind of weird, I can't figure out where the gears are. It's kind of very sticky as well. Anyway, just gonna turn the car around. I don't even know where I am right now. I think I might have taken the wrong turn. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure it out quickly, guys. At the same time, I'm gonna enjoy this car with the camera being down.
Did you drive a lick out?
Yeah, I did drive it lick out, but like I said, I couldn't drive liquor with the phone being in my hand. But anyway, guys, just took this car for a drive. Massive thanks to Tariq for actually allowing me to drive his car. Just some quick information on this car. Obviously, it's a VVL Golf, ported intake. I think it has N1 cams in. He did mention that it does around 180 kilowatts. But other than that, it's pretty much just the engine swap. Everything else still seems original in here. And what a lot of you guys don't know is that I actually own the Mark 1 Golf as one of my first cars. Also had a GTS logo on it. But anyway, I'm going to climb out of the car and just show you guys what the car looks like, as well as the CRX.
Several days later.
Yo guys, so I just arrived at Dane. Danny's just going to assist me with a few miscellaneous things that I kind of want to do on the S2000. Like one of the things is actually this overspray over here. So for you guys that do not know, S2000s obviously sit very low on the road, and they are known for actually picking up a lot of stone chips, and majority of all their bumpers have already been resprayed a few times, and that explains actually why this overspray there. Actually doesn't explain that. I mean, whoever sprayed it shouldn't have actually allowed the overspray to go there, but we're just going to tape up everything and maybe just black out those fake vents, and then I might just add these radiator brackets as well as the battery bracket, and then there's just maybe a few miscellaneous things that we'll be doing on the car as well. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, so we have the car basically covered up, and then Dani's just busy masking the fake vents. So this is basically the difficult part, or the most time consuming part, but as you guys can see, Dane did a pretty good job. And then once it's all taped up, we can literally just spread, wait for it to dry, and then unmask the whole car. And then off camera I just jack the car up, remove both wheels, and then what I plan on doing is maybe just painting this area black over here because of all the overspray. I know it's not something that anyone will really see, but it was kind of bothering me, so I'm going to do that. So yeah, while Dane does the front, I'm going to do the rear. And then another thing we plan on doing, guys, is these little wind deflectors. I would say they're mud flaps, but they're actually in front of the wheel, so they also have a little bit of overspray on them and just a little bit of some dirt, etc. So I'm going to clean these up as well, and then we can fit them back onto the car. Okay guys, so the car is all taped up and ready. So what we are about to do now is we're going to use Dane's mini little gun. I think you mentioned that this is more for touch-up, right? So it's a touch-up gun. So these are actually meant for small areas like this. We also picked up that this area was never sprayed before, so what we are about to do now is actually first spray it with some plastic primer before we actually spray it, so that the paint can stick as well. Okay guys, so it pretty much looks like we didn't spray anything on here, but if you guys just look a little closer, it kind of has a little bit of a shine to it. So the plastic primer is more of a clear type of a thing, I would say. So yeah, we're just waiting for this to dry, and then we can add the black. To unmask it and see how it looks. So obviously the corners was already black, we didn't really need to spray precise. It was mainly the insides that had silver on them. But here's the big reveal. It looks pretty good.
Nice.
Just remember that the inside is actually shiny, it's not silver, so if I move the camera this way, you will see that that silver kind of disappears. Or how can I say, the reflection. But yeah, it looks pretty good. That's exactly how I wanted it to be. And now we just need to do this side. Oh shit. Snap.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Okay, we'll fix that now. Don't worry.
So we got a little bit of overspray there, guys. But yeah, that's something that we can easily fix. We just have to move fast. Okay guys, so we're just using a little 2K. Is it called 2K?
2K thinners.
2K thinners that you usually throw in the paint. As you guys can see, as simple as that.
That was easy.
All fixed up.
Okay, let me just slide this residual here a little bit more. Okay, there we go.
So we're pretty much done. Danny's just basically going over the small little areas that had a little bit of some overspray on. It's not really necessary, but we're just going the extra mile, as you guys can see over there. So yeah, we're just going the extra mile and making the S2000, how can I say, look the way we want it to be before we start obviously the bigger things on the build. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done. The S2000 behind me. Let me just show you guys what we all did. So as you guys know, we did the front bumper, that little fake vents, it's all cleared up. Then went the extra mile and actually did this little area here. I put some more Velcro on the side because the side was actually kind of sticking out. So that looks pretty good. And then let me just show you guys what the inside of the wheel well looks like. So this looks very good to me. Like I said, once the cars drop, you won't pretty much see anything. So we are pretty much happy with the outcome. Let me just show you guys the side. So that side, same, can't really see anything. So yeah, I'm happy with the outcome. I'm going to end off this section of the video and hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please do give the video a thumbs up.